Hi everybody, Spectrum Discovery Area here with another science video that we're bringing to you since we're closed for the time being. And we're talking all about watersheds here. So we've got our awesome virtual watershed exhibit. And here you can see a topographical map of the watershed. And right now we created the Hellgate Canyon. So this is our Clark Fork River right here. And a watershed is an area of land that contains a set of streams and rivers which all drain into a single body of water. The Clark Fork watershed is defined by the area in which all the water flows into the Clark Fork River. So together, the Clark Fork and its tributaries drain over 28,000 miles of streams. By volume, it's the largest drainage in Montana. So let's look at what it looks like when it actually rains. So I pressed our rain button here, so it's raining all over the Missoula area. And where do you think the water goes when it rains on our mountains? It all goes into the Clark Fork River, which we can see right here. All right, my friends, now we're going to try an experiment that you can do in your home. This experiment is called Paper Mountains, and my question for you is, where does water go during a storm? All you need is a piece of paper, and I have a black marker and a blue marker, and some kind of tool you can use to drop water. So I have this bottle here, but you might try a straw or a spray bottle or some other method. And I'm going to crumple up my piece of paper into a snowball and unravel it just a bit. I don't want to flatten my paper. I want to leave my paper so I can see the mountain ridges. So I've got my mountain ridges right here, just like that. Maybe I'll flip it around so you can see it better. Now I'm going to color the highest points of my mountain with my black marker here. So I'm going to color here. Now I'm using a Sharpie marker for this part, and then I'm going to use a more absorbable marker for my next part. So it's helpful to use a permanent marker so we can see our ridges a little bit better. Okay, now I have my blue marker, and I'm going to color the lowest points of my paper here. Right, like that. Okay, so where does water go during a storm? So scientists like to make predictions and then they test them. So let's make a prediction together and think about where rain might travel in our mountainscape here. So I'm thinking if it rained along the top, we're going to have water go down here in the lowest parts. Right, like that. But where do you think the rain might go on your paper? So we're going to test it now. So I'm going to slowly, carefully drop water along the ridges of my mountains. And I want you to make some observations. And watch, where's the water going? I noticed the water following this path. We can see it here really well on our marker. So the water collected here and over here. And you can try this experiment in many different ways, and you can also be creative and use different colors of markers. So I'm going to make more mountains and ridges and keep trying and looking and seeing where the rain is going to go. But stay tuned for more science videos. Take care and stay curious.